I may have more projects coming up. If you guys are interested in maybe funding some of these projects, let me know. Peace out. All right, fam, I think this is gonna be the last video, the final walkthrough. The property's ready. So I listed for sale. We're gonna do our walkthrough just like we did on our first video. So if you haven't seen that video, go watch that video so you can see the difference and everything that we've changed. We're gonna go through the back here just like we did before. So again, all the fence has been changed. So remember we said we were gonna put the stairs up here? There you go. Everything came out pretty nice. The first 2 bedrooms. I've seen this one a lot. And then the bathroom. Here's this one, very nice. And of course, the huge room that I always talk about. I mean, this thing is huge. And then here's the ADU. This used to be a closet, if you guys don't remember. This used to be a closet. And then, remember there was a sink right here and the door was over here. Just moved it over this way. And that's it. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think of the whole project. I could already see some things that I would have liked to see different, maybe a little bit more of an upgrade to some things. Some of you did point out some of the hinges were a different color. I would have liked it to match the knobs as well. You know, it's not really my project, it's somebody else's, but yeah. Few things that I would have done a little bit more detailed, but everything came out nice. Look at this chandelier, freaking nice. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.